Now a glamorous training match as such, with a gold medal at stake. Walihan of China taking on Шаршенбеков of Kyrgyzstan. And 8 years separating the two men. Walihan of China, the elder at 29 years of age. 2018 world bronze medalist, beating Serbian Christian Friss 9-0 in that matchup. But when it came to Nur Sultan in 2019, lost in the round of 16 to Ivo Angelov of Bulgaria. Having previously beaten Olympic medalist Stig Andre Berg of Norway. So he didn't find the Olympics through the World Championship route. Despite that warning, he has secured it at the second attempt. Шаршенбеков, himself just 21 years of age, medalled at every meet he's entered. And he's continued that trend. Шаршенбеков also medaling at that World Championships in Budapest, but at 55 kilograms. The Kyrgyzstani already with a 2-point advantage, with parterre advantage. The referee just making sure the contact is correct. Шаршенбеков trying to pick the lock of Walihan. Just trying to drive off the legs. And certainly has Walihan in a spin. Can he shake a few more points loose from the Chinese pockets? On this occasion, no, but a healthy 4-point advantage. Although Walihan showed in his semi-final success. He finished a technical fall victory, the mighty 4-point throw. So this has a long way to go. So far it's been terrific from the 21-year-old Шаршенбеков. As we enter the dying embers of the first round. So the end of the first round, Шаршенбеков with a useful 4-point advantage. Kyrgyzstani upending Gyan Dender 6-1 in the semi-finals. Now turning the screw on Walihan in the gold medal match. So back underway, and it's Walihan of China with it all to do. Now the competitive spirit really taking over. The Olympics already earned, but Walihan with a fantastic turnaround there. Шаршенбеков, the aggressor, but Walihan turning it into 2 points for himself. Now driving Шаршенбеков around the mat. And the referee, just a warning there. Contact with the young Kyrgyzstan's face. Just trying to find something a little more. Plenty of time in the pocket though. Just over 2 minutes remaining. And just a 2-point deficit. Now for inactivity, Шаршенбеков, and to be penalised. Walihan with a great opportunity to give himself a lead inside the final 2 minutes. The referee making sure everything's above board. Fast as lightning, Šaršenbekov. The contact came and he already was flying backwards. And the parterre advantage was over in the blink of an eye. Walihan not quick enough to pin down his young position. Now just under 90 seconds remaining. Šaršenbekov protecting slender point advantage. The Olympic berth for their countries secured. Now a minute to decide who will take away gold from the Asian Olympic qualifiers in Almaty. Both world medalists in 2018. Both will hope to be making a splash in Tokyo come the summer. It's a medal that won't be defining in their careers other than denoting the fact that they earned their route to the Olympics. But it is gold for Kyrgyzstan. The first of the night earned. Walihan, a little shake of the head, but it was Šaršenbekov winning by a point in the Greco-Roman 60-kilogram final to outscore Walihan. His escape from the parterre, the defining moment in a fabulous gold medal performance.
Doing category 67 kilograms, to the main speed, we invite to the red, Shiroz Ochilo from Tajikistan, to the blue, Ashu representing India.